Here's how Project Focus started. Over 200,000 miles and the underside was completely rusted out. And here it is now. It looks exactly like I pictured it at the beginning. With the coilovers and a couple of power add mods, it's actually my favorite car to drive of all my projects. But there was one spot where I almost threw in the towel and junked it. I was replacing the subframe because it was this rusty. And yeah, that sound is the unibody shedding layers. It sounded like a total for a $500 car. I didn't want to know how much a body shop would charge to repair a unibody at the frame rail, and how would I even get the shell down to the shop? Then I remembered I had a welder and some sheet metal lying around. How hard could it be?
I'm 99% sure this is the outside layer of sheet metal on the frame rail. See those two holes right there? Especially that one? Yeah, right there. That's the new one with the hole, and right here it's covered up. So this right here was part of the car. So I'm going to fabricate a new sheet to go over there and cut around the positioning hole and the thread. This is what I'm going to use. I've actually fabricated with it before. It's just 3-inch exhaust pipe, mild steel. You slice down here, unwrap it with the vice grips, cut it to shape. I'm going to tack this side on, bend it around, cut holes for here and here. Hey, that's not horrible. Honestly, pretty impressed with myself. That almost looks good. It's amazing what a good surface mate can do for you. not bad. Well, that's gonna do it. Up top would have had a better angle and better steel to go into. Those actually look like real welds. This is my 4th welding project and I think I'm finally getting the hang of it. On the bottom it's nothing but popcorn, but it was a horrible angle and the steel underneath was pretty rusted. But the point was just to add some rigidity and strength, which I totally did. It sounds way more solid than before. Patch is done and painted. That was only a 4-hour detour.